Everybody, how's it going? If you're new here, welcome. Today we'll be looking at the Redragon Zeus X variant wireless headset. Now, this new one, this is going to be a version 2, because they did have an initial one, and we've already reviewed it on the channel. If you guys want to check that out, feel free to go ahead and go look at that on the channel. But this new one has some updated features and a little bit on the design elements that I did make some suggestions. I don't know if I was the deciding factor, but they're changed. And we'll go over all those features of what it looks like and in a new color that we have. So sit back, relax, let's check it out.